and ü sometimes are also hard for some people. So how we pronounce this that's easy. First we pronounce o. Do you still remember how to pronounce this? It's o, right? O. And what do? We just open our lips a little wider. Became o. You don't do anything with your tongue, your throat, nothing. Just change your lips. Became wider. So o. And if you want to pronounce beautiful, you can close a little bit your mouth. Make sure that you can keep one finger this gap. So remember, if you can't pronounce it, first you pronounce o, right? O, just like this. Okay, last one. This one, how to pronounce this? That's easy. First you pronounce this one. Do you still remember how to pronounce it? E, right? This is E. So you don't do anything with your tongue and throat. You just change your lips. E,